What's up guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today's video, as you can probably tell by the title, we are officially moving out of our first apartment. It's so sad, so bittersweet. We've lived here for 4 years now, so I'm so happy to finally get out and like expand and move on with our lives and get out of this one-bedroom apartment. So I'll be doing a completed house tour and animal room tour once those are all set up in the new place. But for now, if you want to see how we got over to the new place with all of our plants and animals and things, many things, then keep watching. I have all of my pet supplies, or not even all of it, but like a solid amount of pet supplies and plant supplies all around our kitchen. Our bedroom is finally getting cleared out. Oh my gosh. Finally breaking down the greenhouse. And we're gonna take all these enclosures. I'm trying to get Yuri in the box so we can move. He doesn't want to go in the box. Yuri, you gotta get in the box. We gotta move. Alright guys, we have made so much progress already. We have like one more day until we need to be out. We still have some stuff in here. I have a safe that I don't have the combination to, and I'm dying to figure out what's in it. But we cleared out all the closet. This is our bedroom. I still gotta grab my wig and my extra stuff, and I gotta drop those Legos off at someone's house. And then I gotta grab a couple more paintings I had up on the wall. Get some boxes and stuff out of here. And then we have our kitchen, which has a lot of stuff we gotta bring down today. So I'll be grabbing all that before I leave today. But we finally cleared all of our cabinets. This is like my empty apartment tour now. We got rid of the table that was here. And the living room still has the couch open because me and Petey have been sleeping here still, but we got all the rafts and all the animals and plants out, except for a few plants we still have. Some of my bigger ones over on the windowsill there. And yeah, pretty much all of this is just getting sold off now. And that is my empty apartment tour.